Well, hi folks, we're out here in the desert approaching Scissors Crossing, about mile 77 I think it is. Scissors Crossing is where there's water catch, and I'll be able to restock with my water. It's another about 17 miles or so after that to the next water catch, so it's going to be a heavy carry going up into the mountains. And I can, from here about 4 miles away, I can see the trail heading up the mountainside in front of me. I'll turn it around so you can see it too. Probably can't see the trail at all, but that's the trail that I'm walking on right now out through the desert floor. We've got about 4 miles, maybe 5 miles across the desert floor here like this. Then we head back up into that mountain that you saw up there. Kind of bare. There's been a lot of fire, so there's very little shade. We've gotten rid of the wind. It's supposed to be quite a bit warmer today, but not too bad. High 80s, or pardon me, high 60s. The next day it's supposed to start getting warmer, and but we'll see how things go. Hey, thanks for watching. I haven't been able to get these on YouTube yet. I'm working on it. Hopefully I'll get this one on there. I'm going to put this one, I think, just straight on my Facebook page, so that at least you can see what's going on. And that's where I've just come from. There's those hills there. We came down off of those, and now across the desert floor. And typical scene here of what the countryside looks like. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.